Hello and welcome back to Josh Does Math. In this video we're going to be doing another classic limit problem, so let's just jump right into it. Looking at the limit as x goes to 2 of the function x to the third minus 4x all over x to the third minus 3x squared plus 2x. So let's just try to plug in our value of 2 for every x and see what we get. So we get 8 minus 8 in the numerator, and in the denominator we plug in 2 for every x. We get 8 minus 12 plus 4. And whenever you do this calculation, you get 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form. It's not the correct answer. Your goal is to get the limit out of this indeterminate form so you can figure out what it actually is. So 0 over 0 is not the answer. What do we do then? Well, we can factor the numerator and denominator, and hopefully we'll get a factor in the numerator that cancels with a factor in the denominator. So we'll factor that numerator as x times the quantity x squared minus 4. Factor that denominator as x times the quantity x squared minus 3x plus 2. And as you can see, we have a factor of x in both the numerator and denominator that cancel. So now I'm just going to plug in 2 for every x and see what we get. So we end up getting 4 minus 4 all over 4 minus 6 plus 2, which is once again 0 over 0. Not the answer. So now what do we do? Well, that means that there's still some more factoring to be done in the numerator and denominator. So we just do it once again. We don't start back from the beginning. We just start at our last step here with this one factor and this one factor. And we have to factor it even further. Well, the numerator is a difference of squares. That's x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 2. The denominator now, we just need to factor this by inspection, hopefully. So this is going to be x minus 1 and x minus 2. And okay, we have 2 more factors to cancel, x minus 2. Those cancel in the numerator and denominator. And we're left with just these 2 factors. Okay, let's plug in 2 once again. Get 4 all over 1. So 4. And that's the answer for this limit. The limit value here is 4, and we had to cancel out 2 factors in the numerator and denominator. And if you look back at our steps, the first factor that we actually canceled, we didn't need to cancel it. However, it certainly doesn't hurt to cancel it, especially when you're looking for the specific factor that is causing your division by 0. So as long as you just keep factoring and keep dividing out the common factors that involve x, you're eventually going to get down to an answer that is not an indeterminate form. That's how you do a problem like this. Thanks for watching.